Want to get up close and personal with the birds in your neighborhood? You can with the BirdDock Smart Bird Feeder. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and you've got the HD camera, the bird feeder with base, a USB-C charging cable, and everything you'll need to mount the feeder. The camera unit features a 165-degree super wide-angle lens, 1080p HD camera with night vision, a built-in microphone, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi antenna, and 2 rechargeable 3.7-volt batteries, good for around 20 to 30 days of continuous operation. An SD card will need to be inserted if you want to play back and have cloud storage options. The BirdDock's transparent reservoir can hold up to 24 ounces of seed or grain, which is easy to refill. There is a little assembly required before you mount the feeder, but once you're ready, pick an outdoor spot that gets plenty of sunlight. Built from waterproof PVC, the electronics and battery are insulated from the elements, while the large arched roof can provide shelter for the birds when it rains. But the fun really begins when you get a friendly feathered visitor, luckily. There's an app for that. Without the JJ Home app, the BirdDock is just a bird feeder, and you can't access any of the videos or audio streams. You can find the JJ Home app available on the Apple App Store or Google's Play Store. With it, you can connect to your home Wi-Fi, find your bird feeder, or any other smart product from the same vendor, and pair it up with up to 3 mobile devices simultaneously. Once you're set up, you'll receive notifications when the camera detects movement in the bird feeding trough. You're able to log in and both see and hear your new visitor. The app also has an inbuilt bird face ID system that attempts to match the bird type with an online database. You're able to then learn more about the specific bird species by following the Wikipedia link. There's also a whole heap of sharing, recording, and playback options within the app. So, what do we like about the BirdDock Smart Bird Feeder? The product quality feels solid, and assembly was super easy. Once connected, the picture and audio quality is surprisingly good for an outdoor device. It even held up in low light and nighttime. So, what don't we like? The app language isn't translated well, and there appears to be quite a few bugs in parts of the app. While our initial connection attempt wasn't as smooth as we'd hoped, we did eventually manage to sync everything together. And, full disclaimer, it's not our complaint, but another Amazon reviewer said that the bird face ID is pretty hit and miss. It said multiple seagulls visited when it was clearly a different species altogether. But enough from me. Let's talk to Matt and find out what he thought.
So I think this bird feeder has a lot of potential. I think there's still some bugs in it and some features in the app that need to be worked out. But overall, I think in the future this is going to be a really, really awesome product and really redefines bird feeders in my opinion. If you're a birder and you don't have one of these, you're not a birder.
Thank you, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the BirdDock Smart Bird Feeder? Whether you call yourself an ornithologist, birdwatcher, twitcher, lister, birder, ticker, or an avian enthusiast, you're going to love this thing. We're giving it a 7 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got 2 options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right, and pick one up for only $169.99, or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our winners compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.